After much anticipation, Samsung finally unveiled the Galaxy S23 FE last week. Surprisingly, this affordable yet high-quality smartphone comes with older processors, either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or the Exynos 2200, depending on your region. The Exynos 2200, which was used in the European version of the Galaxy S22 series last year, has been put to the test in the new Galaxy S23 FE, even though it's not the latest chip. According to tests conducted by RonTech, it appears that the Exynos 2200 chip in the Galaxy S23 FE outperforms the one in the Galaxy S22 series. On Geekbench 6.2, the S23 FE achieves a single-core score of 1612 and a multi-core score of 4005. In comparison, when examining Geekbench's database, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which also features the Exynos 2200 chip, scored 1269 in single-core and 3784 in multi-core tests. This indicates a roughly 15% increase in performance for both single-core and multi-core performance when comparing the two versions of the Exynos 2200. Similar improvements are seen when looking at the AnTuTu benchmark results. The Galaxy S23 FE achieves a CPU score of 329,165 and a GPU score of 437,040. In contrast, the Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 305,069 in CPU and 312,522 in GPU on AnTuTu's leaderboard. This translates to a CPU improvement of just under 10%, but there's a substantial 30% boost in GPU performance. However, it's important to note that the Exynos 2200 chip in the Galaxy S23 FE still faces challenges in maintaining high performance under heavy usage, as it tends to reduce its performance by about 25% in stress tests. In comparison, tests conducted by Android Authority show that the Galaxy S22 Ultra experienced a more significant reduction of over 30% in both CPU and GPU tests. Therefore, it seems that the Galaxy S23 FE performs somewhat better in managing sustained performance under load compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.